I want to bring us closer to the concept of a relationship built on trust. In the next few minutes, you will get to see the seamless customer experience with C/4HANA. Let me introduce you to Anna. Anna's a sales representative at Robotech. She starts her day with a personalized view that shows her a top deal with her customer, Joe Wills, at Organic Seeds. She wants to further investigate, so she's then brought to a 360-degree customer relationship viewpoint. Here she can see all the information and get a holistic understanding of her relationship with Joe. She notices immediately in the top right-hand corner that Joe has consented to share his IoT and personal data with Robotech.
Christina, this is a very cool moment. This means it's not just personal data, but also machine data.
Exactly, Alex, without being creepy. She can now go a step further and understand how she can help build this trusted relationship with Joe. So she then is able to view a briefing document. So taking in all of this IoT data that she now has, she can see that Joe is facing a capacity issue in the future. So she can also look at Joe's existing product as well as a recommended product to help him fulfill this capacity in the future. She then wants to visualize this and get an understanding of the existing product versus a recommended product. So she launches the digital twin. The digital twin is a digital simulation that shows the existing product in production as well as the new recommended product. You can see the old is slow, the new is fast. This is just what Joe needs to increase his capacity. So she now is going to launch her configuration overview. And this is going to give her all the details she needs to share with Joe. She sees all of the details of this recommended product and can here share the details with her customer. Now what we are going to see is we are going to see two screens here. So we see Anna on the very right-hand side and Joe on the very left-hand side. This is all about transparency and collaboration. So immediately when Anna makes a change, Joe is able to see that reflected in his configuration overview. We can see on the left-hand side that Anna has been given a recommendation that she should add an additional component to this robot to increase Joe's efficiency. She goes ahead and adds that, and immediately reflected on Joe's screen, he can see that component added. Now it's Joe's turn. Joe can start to collaborate with Anna. He makes the determination that he doesn't need that additional component at this point in time, so he removes it. But he decides he wants to update the color of the robot to blue.
Hold on there, Christina. So what's the big deal? We're changing the color of the robot.
Alex, this is all about connecting our demand chain with our supply chain.
So we give the customer what they actually want.
Exactly.
That's good.
So Anna now confirms the updates, and then she can finalize the quote with Joe. But before doing that, she knows that this important component could really help him in his day-to-day operations. So she adds it back in, but also gives a suggested discount of 10%. She applies this to the quote, finalizes it, and now she has a happy customer with Joe. She finalizes that, and from here, she can move on to her next customer and build a next trusted relationship. Alex, is this the revolution you were talking about?
Christina, that's the revolution. Thank you so much.